If you enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Operating a forklift at night or in a darkened area can be very dangerous. So too can operating a forklift outdoors with no protection from the weather. First, you need to ensure at night and on an overcast day, you have sufficient lighting where you are driving. Checking the weather forecast prior to starting work helps to schedule work activities. Helps plan the work environment. Helps prepare for suitable hazard control measures. If the surface that you are operating on is wet, there are some things you need to think about, such as reducing speed, avoiding sudden braking. You must proceed with caution, and avoid using ramps or other inclined pathways. If you need to drive a loaded forklift up a ramp, which way should the load face? The load should face up the ramp. Going uphill, face your load forward. Going downhill, travel in reverse, checking over your shoulder. Operating a forklift on a ramp or sloping surface can be dangerous. You could lose the load. You could tip the forklift. Ready to book a forklift course? Scan the QR code on the screen to choose the right course near you. It is unsafe to carry a load on only one fork arm. Doing so may cause the stability of the load to be affected, stability of the forklift to be affected, cause damage to fork arms, or damage to mast or carriage. When stacking loads one on top of each other, there are several things to consider. Always place heavy goods at the bottom. The stack must not become unstable due to height. The loads must be stacked on a firm level surface, and whether the load below can support the loads above. If your view is partially obstructed by the load, you can use a guide. Repack the load or operate in reverse. If you are given a signal by a coworker guiding you and it is unclear, ask them to clarify their last signal. Passengers must not be carried on a forklift unless it is designed to do so. Never raise a person on the fork arms. Instead, use an authorized cage for lifting people and follow security instructions. Ready to book a forklift course? Scan the QR code on the screen to choose the right course near you. See you in our next video.